Standing feet hip width apart, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine that string from the crown up to the sky, chin parallel to the ground. One hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming that in-breath to the lower hand. Bringing the arms up, inhale, lengthen up with the left, exhale with the right. Inhale left, exhale right. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. And take hold of the left wrist, inhale, exhale to the right. Bring the arms up and swap, inhale, exhale to the left. And swapping the hands again. So inhale, exhale over, back to center. Inhale and exhale and center. So one more each side. Inhale and exhale and center. Inhale and exhale. Back to center. Bring the arms down and we'll roll the shoulders back and forwards. Hands on the shoulders, circle with the elbows. And the other way. Full arm circles, so inhaling up, exhaling down. And the other way. Take the left arm forward, right arm back. And then right forward, left back. And bend the left elbow, take the right hand to the elbow. Remember, try and keep the spine nice and long, crown to the sky. And right arm up, left hand to the elbow. And we're just swinging the arms in between. Left arm up, right hand behind. Trying to bring the fingers together if you can. And the other side, so right arm up, left one behind. Bring the arms in a big circle, drop in the head. Take the arms behind, so just lifting the arms, working into the shoulders. Now we can take this into a forward bend. But if you're not comfortable with that, you can hold on to the elbows. But if you are comfortable, keep the hands behind and we'll have a deep bend in the knees, body on the thighs. So you inhale first, exhale, try and straighten the arms and lift the hands a little higher. So again, deep bend, inhale, exhale, straighten. One more bend in the knees, inhale, exhale, straighten. So if you're holding onto the elbows or onto the hands, then just let go, try and touch the toes and roll on up through the spine. So leg swings, standing on the left leg, I'm going to swing the right one backwards and forwards. Remember the belly button squeezed in, find that focus point. To the other side. take the right one side to side. So get the balance and then see if you can lift the leg higher. And then finally that left leg side to side. Okay, standing pose. Alright, on the warrior 2, so bending that left knee, back foot slightly angled, shoulders above the hips. Make sure that knee is tracking in line with the toes. So bring the arms shoulder level, and we'll turn and look along that front arm. We'll turn the feet around. So when you're ready, just look along that front arm. Try and relax the breathing, sink down into the pose. So we'll do that one more each side. Now you can stay in the basic warrior 2, or we're going to add the little back bend, make it warrior 2 reverse. So if you want to do that, turn the front palm up towards the sky, and then the back hand down onto the thigh, and bring the arm over the head. Try and keep that bend in the front knee, and only going as far as feels comfortable. So come up, swap the feet around. So let's set ourselves up in the basic warrior 2. If you want to, you can stay there. Or we'll come into warrior 2 reverse, bring the arm over the head, so looking up to the sky, and breathe. And bring the arms down. So balance pose, we're going to work on tree pose. So wherever you're at, so either to the calf or to the inner thigh, or even just the ankle, but try and have the knee pointing out to the side. So just in your own time, and bring the hands to the chest, and maybe bring the arms up either side of the head. Just find what works for you. So we're just going to hold the pose on one each side. Try and relax the breathing. See if we can quieten the mind. Bring the arms down, we'll do the other side. Again, just wherever you're at. So keeping the body facing forward, shoulders above the hips, knee pointing outwards. So if you do fall out of the pose, just take your time coming back into it. It does happen. There we go. And just work back up step by step. Remember, keep the belly button squeezed in, using your focus point. And breathe. And bring the arms down. So we'll finish with that good posture and the breathing. Shoulders back and down, crown to the sky, chin parallel to the ground. And one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. Trying to feel the heartbeat with the upper hand. Bringing the arms down, and we're all done.